From the Lykan Hypersport to the Gear Smart Patrol, these are most badass police cars in the world. They are fast, loaded with crime-fighting technology and could hunt down criminals with ease. Here are the top 4 countries with the most insane police cars in their fleet. Welcome to Explain. Number 4 is the USA. With all high-speed car chases, it's no surprise that US cop cars are very intimidating. For city works, they use cars like the Dodge Charger Pursuit, which has a wrap-around grille for pit maneuvers. The Ram 1500 Special Service Vehicle is great for off-road chases. But let's take a closer look at our 2 favorites. First is the Cheehy Toho PPV. This cop car has a rear camera mirror that is especially handy in K9 units, with obstruction in the back. It's equipped with an infrared camera that allows police to locate criminals through heat sensors in the dark. Plus, it has a feature called driver exit auto park, making it automatically stop, shift to park, and set parking brake if certain conditions are met. Next is the Lenco Bearcat. This beast comes in different armor variants for dangerous scenarios like citizen rescues, border patrol, and even putting out small fires. Number 3 is Japan. Japan's police cars might look like they are straight out of the world of manga, but these pursuit vehicles mean business. First is the Lexus LC500, a 471 horsepower machine perfect for chasing down runaway cars. Japan's police department also has a quite few Nissan Z Nismos in their fleet. Then there was the Honda NSX, loaded with police gear and tuned to combat street racing. Number 2 is Italy. The Carabinieri, the military arm of the Italian police, have cars like the Alfa Romeo Giulia QV, a 503 horsepower rapid response vehicle with the B4 level armor and a bulletproof windshield. They have also got an insane Ferrari 458 Spider, a 560 horsepower Lamborghini Gallardo that they once used to emergency transport a donor organ. Finally, at number 1 is the UAE. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are officially home to the fastest, most luxurious and most advanced police cars on the planet. They have got Ferrari FF, a Lamborghini Aventador, a Bentley Continental, a Bentley Bentayga, a Mercedes-Benz SLS, and a BMW i8. These cars are not just fast and luxurious, they are filled with insane patrol and crime-fighting technology. For example, the Gear Smart Patrol car has a 360-degree camera, 8 exterior surveillance cameras, facial and license plate recognition system, and more. In conclusion, police cars around the world are evolving to become faster, smarter, and more advanced. Whether it's the USA high-speed car chases, Japan's pursuit vehicles straight out of manga, Italy's rapid response vehicles with bulletproof features, or the UAE fleets of luxury supercars, these police cars are forced to be reckoned with. And as technology continues to advance, we can expect even more impressive innovations in law enforcement vehicles in the future. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge about police cars, then please hit the like button and comment down your favorite country cars. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos for future. Thank you.